I've watched and listened to almost every video and Twitter space there is from ICT. And this strategy is the best one by far, with very high win rate and risk to reward, while also being very easy to execute. So let me show you what's the strat about. These 5 steps are what you need. Don't worry if you don't know what this means, I'm gonna explain every single step of this. So first you need liquidity taken out. Liquidity is where the stops are. So this right here would be liquidity, sell side liquidity, and this right here would be buy side liquidity. This would be also sell side liquidity. So we want to wait for the price to break the liquidity. After that, market structure shift. This is what's market structure shift. You get low, high, lower, low, and then break of this high right here. After that, we want to wait for fair value gap, which would be right here, and enter on this fair value gap. After that, I look for confirmation with divergence. So this is, for example, ES. This is NQ. This also can be Euro and GBP. So we can see that this chart right here broke through the low, made a new low. Now let's make this chart like way simpler. So let's say this is 5-minute chart and this is 1 hour chart, okay? So we have this low right here. ES made new low. And this is NQ, where we have low, but it did not make new low. So that's a confirmation for me that we should be going back up. And leave a like on this video if you like the content I make. This placement is once again another confirmation, which gives you which is another confirmation, so you get higher win rate. Now, I don't always wait for every single confirmation here, like the divergence and displacement. Sometimes I just wait for divergence. And if I see also displacement, you can put the displacement in these, because, you know, it's just like, if I see displacement, it usually means that this is really gonna happen and I put more in. So what is displacement? Let me show you right here on this chart. So we can see that we broke through the liquidity here. And now you want to wait for the market structure shift, which happened right here on this candle. So fair value gap, you want to long, and your target is some liquidity, which first one is here, and then we have one here and here, and all the way up. So you can go to the 15-minute chart and look for more stuff. So let's go further. You can see it got filled. Now for the displacement, you want to go to the 1 hour chart. And this is exactly what's displacement. You have this low right here, and this candle tried to break through, but it closed above. And then when this happens, it's displacement, and it's showing you its hand and telling you that it is going to go up. So you can target this right here, the liquidity on the 1 hour chart, and you could also try to target this one. So let's see how this plays out. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Also, I will be trading 150k funded challenge in my new group. You can join now for only $50. The price goes up to 150 in 1 week. So join now to have huge discount forever. And let's get back to the video. For example, we entered here. So we can see we would get filled here. And then we continued for this liquidity. Let me move this. And this one and this one also. So also for the divergence, you need 2 charts. And right here we can see ES made low, NQ made also low. But here ES made new low on these two candles, while NQ didn't. And it's reversing after that, just like ES did. So let me show you one trade on Forex too. So we can go to Euro. So we are on Euro and the pound. You can see that we break through this liquidity right here. And now we want to wait for the market structure shift and fair value gap, which happened right here. So this fair value gap, you should go long here, target this liquidity right here and this one right here. Your stop should be below the low, and that's it. You can go a little bit below. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, so first target hit right here, and then yes, so both target hits, and it's really this simple. So first you need liquidity, then market structure shift, then fair value gap, and for confirmation you can look for displacement and divergence. So we can see that the pound also went lower, just like Euro did. So there is not the divergence there, but that's fine. That just means that you enter with maybe a little bit less. Now let's look if there was the displacement, and there was. So we have this low right here, the 1 hour candle closed above. So we see displacement happened. After that happens, you would be most likely late in the trade. So that's why I do not wait for displacement to happen. It just confirms it while I'm in the trade. Because, you know, on the 1 hour candle, you would have to wait for the candle to close, which right here you entered at half hour. So to wait like half an hour to the trade to play out. So doesn't make sense, right? But it basically tells you that from here, the trade could easily go up here. Let's see if it did. Was it this one? No, that's the profit. Yes. So, you see? What's the profit here? Let's say on this candle. So 15R, that's just, you know, you see, it's like really, it's very simple strategy. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe.